Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change interface language in WordPress account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in wordpress.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, hover your mouse to the profile section, which is at the top right corner of your screen, and you will find Edit Profile button. Click on it. Now on the left hand side of your screen you can see Account Settings tab. Click on it and scroll down a little bit until you find Interface Language. Click on this box here and you can search for the language on this field, or you can also find the language from here. Select the respective language and click on Apply Changes. The page will reload for once and you can see that your interface language has been changed. So that is how you can change your interface language in WordPress account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.